Here I have Samsung Galaxy M13, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then go to its settings, and here you have to go to the watermark section. So here you have to firstly enable watermark, and here you can add your custom text. Like you can add your name, your surname, or I don't know, maybe name of someone you respect a lot, or I don't know, some joke. Anything you want. I'm just gonna enter my real name and show you an example how it will look like. So here you go. That's how my custom watermark looks like. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.